it's like getting it's a little tough to sit and make these videos like every single day, no matter what. But I feel I should do it because just now on Instagram I saw this very inspiring line. It says, "Aspire to inspire before you expire." So I think I don't want to like kick the bucket making these YouTube videos, but yeah, pretty much. And yesterday I was out in the open with my pets, with my rabbits, so it felt really good. So that's what, people. Yeah, this is a short video because I feel this is important to say. And like I said, there's this very sweet Pakistani gentleman. I call him Bhaijan, and he has this his it's called Real American Center. Is his if you type it, you'll find it. Hala, that's how the name. I wonder why that name though. I'm a little confused about that. But maybe it's a place in Pakistan. But thank you so much, Bhaijan. His comments make my day. He's so like, after seeing Bhaijan, I've realized that just posting a one-line comment for someone can make them feel so good. Yeah, I mean, this gentleman is in Pakistan somewhere, but his cute little comments, me sitting here in India, I feel so happy reading it. So it's like the power of the written word, right? So it's just so amazing. So thank you, Bhaijan, and thank you, people, for watching my videos. It just feels so special. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.